Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we will be trying ZIIP ZIIP. I received this, they gifted me to try and share my review, so I'm going to try this. I tried this one time, only one time, last week, and I prefer trying using this as a microcurrent device. It's like a facial you do. I prefer using this product only in weekend, like once a week. It's up to you. Some people do it every day. So this is a kit which I received, and this is how it looks. And inside this you get this device which we will try right now, and these three serums, which is, this is crystal gel serum, this is golden gel, and this is silver gel. So we will try any one of this, and this kit is available on their website. They also have an app. So this is the app which they have, you need to download. So if in case you don't know how to use it, so the app has the proper tutorials for face. Let me just open that. So the ZIIP Halo has 4-minute facial. Then this is lymphatic drainage. This is for clear skin. This is for collagen boost. Then they have tone corrector, instant facelift, for neck, how to use, sculpt. So everything is properly there, tutorials. You will not go blank how to use this. On their website, this kit, it's for $399. So along with the tax, $24 tax, the total comes to $424. They gave me a coupon code. I think it's 10%. If you use my code PAMHALO, PAMHALO, $423, you use my code, it will directly come to $381. So $381, it's a huge discount. So if you are interested, if you're planning something to buy for yourself or gift it to your mom or dad or friends, this kit, don't forget to use my code PAMHALO and you will save some dollars. So let's try that. So I tried this. When I tried this for the first time, I literally freaked out because it was not working. So don't get scared, don't get tensed when you receive this. What I did is I just called the customer service just as if I have bought this product, and the customer service was actually very helpful. She told me that you need to put the gel first. What I was doing, I was just trying, and it was not vibrating at all. Like I couldn't feel anything, nothing. So she told me you need to use the gel first on your face, apply it, and then it gets in contact with the gel, and only then the machine works. A dust bag you get if in case you want to travel with this, and also you get a charger. So you need to, so this is the charging thing, you need to charge it over here. And this box you get USB-C, same like iPhone. You can use the iPhone charger. The 7 steps how to use this, and also this has the book if in case you want to read the book. So let's get started how to use this machine. So they also send me this separately. I think this is the full size of those small liquid. If in case one of them is over, you can just buy the full size. This is a silver gel which I got. So this is the silver gel, the small one, and you also get the full size. I think any of this silver, crystal and gold, also you will get the full size. I'm not sure what is the price. I will add somewhere on the screen. So first what I'm going to do is so this is a silver gel. I'm clicking on 4 minutes facial, click on start treatment, and I'm going to click on the power button is there down.
This is our micro and nanocurrent treatment that you can literally just turn
So you
on
get
and
beep sound 2-3 times,
So you're gonna
and the
start right
tutorial
here.
starts.
So ZIIP is this facial device that uses nanocurrent and microcurrent on your skin. You need to connect to the app, choose from the library of treatments, like anything whichever you want, as I showed you, and you need to apply the gel on your face, and this will allow the currents to work,
You
the
can hear the
magic.
sound.
So minor twitching around the eyes and lips means muscle is overstimulated. It's harmless and it's painless. Like right now, I'm getting that twitching around my eyes and my lips. I was afraid in the beginning, but I stop in between. I don't do continuously. So you can take your time. If you feel like too much of twitching is moment is happening on your face, just stop it. Take your time, do slowly. So that means it's a good sign. It means the muscle is being activated, circulation is increasing. It's like, a gym session, but for your face. So follow the instruction, on the app. And once you will get used to it, you can just use it however you want.
And press this to turn it off. Don't wash it under the water, just wipe it. Store it in your box. That's it. So if in case you're interested to buy, use my code PAMHALO. You will save some extra dollars. So all the links I am sharing in my description box below, comment section, or in community tab. I don't know if I can tag this product, but check my Shop My app as well. So I hope you guys love this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. Stay blessed, stay happy.